A silent vow at sunrise, a rhythm just begun. I wake each day with breath and call to live for something more than all. The grace I've known, the path I've found, must now be shared, must now resound. I see with faith, I walk in fire, my soul aligned with something higher. My purpose lives beyond my name, to carry light, to fan the flame. The work is not to serve just me, but carry truth to help hearts see. My life was changed, my soul redeemed. Now I live out what once I dreamed. With every step I give, from birth to purpose, each step aligned, a higher path within me defined. I walk with courage, faith and grace, the light ahead, my dwelling place. Where doubt once held the upper hand, now steady strength begins to stand. Through fire, fear and fleeting lies, my soul learns how to truly rise. Let silence teach and ego fall. No need for noise to hear the call. We can move alive and sing, guided by your deepest led by light beyond regret.